Hey, I want to show you a very, very quick and simple way to solve the faded trims on your vehicle. This Mini here, it's not that old, but unfortunately they have quite cheap plastics on them and they fade very, very quickly. And we have long-term solutions. We have our ceramic coating will last 2 years, etc. But this is just a very quick fix that you can do at home, in driveway or whatever. And it's using a plastic restore gel from SONAX. It is so simple. Take an applicator sponge, apply the product. It's very thick and actually you don't need loads of it. Once you have, you can then spread the gel into the plastics. You want to apply like quite a thin layer. You don't need to go crazy with it. It will actually soak into the plastic. It's not like, you know, the usual heavy silicone ones which are just temporary and just look good for, you know, a few days. This will actually soak in. So actually applying a thin layer and then leaving it to dry, and then you can apply further layers until you achieve the result you want, and any excess after you can just wipe off. But look at that, look at the difference already. Brand new plastic, ugly plastic, all in one step. So fast. And you know, after a few months, once it starts to fade again, just reapply. There's enough here to do the car tens, hundreds of times. There's loads. There we go, simple.